In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can confidently surface your city or region on your profile. This is helpful for building connections, joining local meetups, or simply giving context to fellow community members. It's completely optional, and you're always in control of how specific you want to be. First, head to your profile settings. The quickest way is to click or tap your profile picture. On desktop, you'll typically find it in the top right corner. On mobile, it's often in a profile or account tab. From there, choose Settings or Edit Profile. The wording may differ slightly depending on your version of Skool, but both routes take you to the same place, your profile details. Once you're in your profile area, locate the location field. It's usually grouped with other personal details and may be labeled Location, City, or something similar. Many layouts place it under sections like Basic Info or About. If you see multiple tabs or categories, scan briefly for personal information sections, as location is commonly housed there. The field may be a simple text box or a searchable drop-down that suggests cities as you type. If suggestions appear, pick the one that best matches your city or region. A quick note on privacy: you don't have to provide an exact neighborhood or address. Most people simply list a city and state or a city and country, while some prefer a broader region. If you're active in multiple places, choose the location that best represents where you're available or where your community interactions typically happen. Using a recognizable city name and its standard spelling can make it easier for others to understand where you are. If you're not seeing the location field at all, don't worry. It may be temporarily hidden by your current layout, your device view, or the specific community settings you're using. Switching between desktop and mobile can help you spot it. Also, some communities minimize profile fields to keep things simple. In those cases, check for a condensed profile or about section and look for an expandable area or additional fields option. To recap, access your profile by selecting your profile picture, choose Settings or Edit Profile, and then locate the location field. Keep your entry as precise or as general as you're comfortable with. That's all you need to know to place your location where others can see it at a glance.